How to make a small business website in 2023. Editorial note: we earn a commission from partner links on Forbes Advisor. How to make a website, a step-by-step guide to get you going. Pick a domain name. Register your domain and pick your design and hosting providers. Add engaging content and useful pages. Optimize your website for search engines. Review your site before you hit publish. Keep your site up to date. FAQs. How to make a website, a step-by-step guide to get you going. In just 5 easy-ish steps, you can create a beautiful personal or business website that engages visitors and excites them to work with you. 1. Pick a domain name. A domain is the unique name of your website. You can choose any name you want, but it's best to have one that matches your business or professional name. As you're brainstorming domain names, heed these helpful tips. Include keywords relevant to your business to boost your visibility in search engines. Ensure it's easy to spell. If you have trouble brainstorming, use a domain name generator as a jumping-off point. Keep your domain short to make it easier for visitors to remember. Avoid abbreviations, acronyms, hyphens and numbers. Aim to use traditional top-level domains, or TLDs, such as .com or .net, or one that best relates to you or your business. Make sure no one else is already using it. 2. Register your domain and pick your design and hosting providers. Once you've settled on a domain name, you'll need to register it with a domain registrar. If you choose to use separate companies to manage your web hosting and designing, look for a hosting service that offers perks such as tech support, a free domain name or secure sockets layer (SSL) certificate. 3. Add useful pages and engaging content. You have many options when it comes to how you organize your content about your business and its services. A striking homepage. An enlightening About Us page. Booking or shop page. An accessible contact page. Memorable content. A robust FAQ page. Testimonials and press coverage. 4. Optimize your website for search engines. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the practice of refining your business website so your pages rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs, most notably Google. As you build your website, keep these basic SEO practices in mind to increase your visibility and drive more traffic. Use relevant phrases, called keywords, throughout your posts and pages. Consistently publish valuable content for your customers or readers. Perform routine content audits or cleanups to see what you can consolidate or refresh. Keep your website's loading speed as low as possible by optimizing images or enabling browser caching. Ensure your design and content work properly on computers, mobile phones and tablets. It's great to have a beautifully designed business website, but search engines want to see more than that to establish your authority when they index it in their search results. 5. Review your site before you hit publish. Before you unleash your website into the real world, you'll need to test it to make sure it works properly. Among other things, make sure you read through your content to ensure everything is accurate and error-free. Check for any broken links. Remove any filler content from your website theme or template. Test your website across browsers like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari and more. Connect your website to Google Analytics to monitor its performance. Keep your site up to date. You aren't done with your site the minute you hit publish. Use Webmaster and analytics tools, such as Google Analytics, to monitor how people use your site. Regularly update your website with blog posts, products and promotional offers. Perform monthly reviews to ensure all aspects of your website, including internal and external links, pages and plugins, are working as intended. Update your About Us page with new team members or achievements. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. Do businesses really need a website? Yes, every business really should have a website. How much does a website cost to make? Websites for standard small businesses, personal use or portfolios can range from free to $20,000 upfront, or more, in some cases. Should I build my website or pay someone else to do it? If you have a sizable budget and don't want to handle any design or technical aspects yourself, it may make sense to hire a designer. How much does it cost to upgrade a website? Each company charges a different amount to upgrade a website. Is it possible to make a free website? Yes, it is possible to build a website for free. How do I buy a domain name? A domain registrar service will let you quickly search for available domains.